I'm actually on a fish. Holy shit. At a wedding. At a wedding. TomGripp at a wedding right now. We're gonna be fishing at a wedding. We got the bait right here. We're gonna do a little deal. Got the plastic bags. We gotta sneak some shrimp out of here. Alright, Mike. Guys, we made it out of the wedding. Sorry if it's a little dark, it's just too late to be filming, but hopefully I'll be able to catch something. Put on the shrimp, the salmon that we got, we'll see what we get. We're on the move right now, switching up spots. There's too many crabs over there. Look at this. Yeah, it feels weird, right? I'm actually on a fish. Holy shit. At a wedding. At a wedding. What is it? Oh shit. No. No, I'm not gonna be able to get it up. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Should I tighten it? Here, give me the rod. Here. God. Hold it. Oh my god. Come on. Holy shit. Oh my god, guys. Probably can't see anything right now. Apologize. What is it?
It's a bag. No.
Oh my god. It's a bag. Are you joking? Well. Alright boys, that's the video. We didn't really catch anything, but whatever. It was still fun. Still fishing at a wedding, it was still pretty awesome.